Practice Protector Plus is obviously a solution to a liability and a potential risk for any practice. And it's really important to understand where those risks sit. Uh, Practices are very aware of the doctors and getting cover in place for doctors. But one of my early learning experiences in this role was working with a practice where the practice manager had suffered an extended period of absence and unfortunately passed away at the end of that period after almost a year. And talking with the practice the following year at their annual review and asking what the impact was and understanding how that had affected the partners and in the practice, not just the fact that one of their colleagues was ill and eventually passed away, but the sheer additional workload that would have taken on. And because they had no contingency plan to cover the cost of that practice manager's absence, the extra work was taken on by the partners and done with no additional income. It meant it was very difficult for them to be able to give up work and create extra capacity. And the message that stuck in my mind was their acceptance and acknowledgement that looking back, that even if they'd had a day each across that year, the difference that that would have made to their lives, to their families' lives, and so on, the impact of that. So Practice Protector Plus is a long-term solution to those problems. It's not just about the financial cost, which is huge. It's the implications and what that means to key people in the practice and partners and their families.